In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important parts of your computer, the C drive. If your PC has been slowing down or you're out of space, then this video is just for you. What exactly is the C drive? It's a primary storage location for your Windows operating system, crucial system files, and most of your installed programs. Essentially, it's the heart of your computer's storage. Windows relies heavily on this drive, and thus making it bloated can be a reason for Windows to slow down. That's why keeping your C drive in good shape is an important step. So let's talk about some ways to make your C drive faster, like a bullet train. Not really, but yeah, fast stuff. The very first step is deleting unnecessary programs running your computer slow. So how to deal with it? Simply go to the control panel, and then here you can navigate uninstalled programs and then uninstall programs from here, or you can also go to the settings and then uninstall programs from the settings windows itself. Next up, we have cleaning disk, which is located in the file explorer. Click on the C drive and then click on clean disk from up here, and then you need to select the files and make sure you select system files if you have all the updates, and then delete these files. This will also make your drive way much faster. Step number 3, storage sense. Storage sense is also a built-in feature in Windows 10 and 11, which automatically checks and keeps your files organized and also deletes the junk files which are not useful anymore. So make sure to give it some time and then keep some files enabled to delete and keep your private and personal data in your computer. Step number 4, changing the location of your installed apps, music, and documents from Microsoft Store in the D or another drive other than the C drive. When we download any application or music or document from the Microsoft apps, these apps and these assets simply store in the C drive, which causes C drive to get bloated. So we need to change the locations of these files first. So how do we do it? Simply go to settings and here search for locations, and you will see file locations. Click on that and go to the locations and then change here from C to any other drive. That's it for today, guys. Hope you find the video helpful, and if you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification to get all the updates. See you in the next video. Take care.